Friends, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Math Teachers Modern English School Kuntinagar Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some examples of exercise 7D. Examples number 8 of exercise 7D. Class 10 examples of exercise 7D chapter triangles 18. O is a point in the interior of triangle ABC. Okay, a triangle ABC. O is the point इंटीरियर ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC, यानी कि ABC ट्रायंगल के अंदर O एक पॉइंट है. ओके, OD इज परपेंडिकुलर टू BC. OD जो है वो परपेंडिकुलर है किस पे? BC पे. OE इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AC. OE इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AC and OF इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AB and OF इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AB एज फॉन इन द फिगर, जैसा कि फिगर में दिखाया गया. प्रूव दैट OA स्क्वायर प्लस OB स्क्वायर प्लस OC स्क्वायर माइनस OD स्क्वायर माइनस OE स्क्वायर माइनस OF स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AF स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर प्लस CE स्क्वायर. एंड द सेकेंड AF स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर प्लस CE स्क्वायर equal to AE square plus BF square plus CD square. Okay, now let's start solution. First of all, join OA, OB and OC. Okay, and फर्स्ट इज OA स्क्वायर प्लस OB स्क्वायर प्लस OC स्क्वायर माइनस OD स्क्वायर माइनस OE स्क्वायर माइनस OF स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AF स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर प्लस CE स्क्वायर. तो AF किस ट्रायंगल में आएगा? तो AF इस ट्रायंगल में आएगा इन ट्रायंगल OFA, इन राइट ट्रायंगल OFA. ओके, we write OA square OFA, we write OA square equal to AF square plus OF square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. Now BD square, for BD is here. For in right triangle ODB, in right triangle ODB. Okay, so OB square equal to equation first, OB square equal to OD square और प्लस BD square by Pythagoras theorem. And CE square, so CE present in this triangle. So in right triangle OEC, in right triangle OEC. Okay, so OC square equal to OE square plus CE square, equation third, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so AF square, BD square and CE square, adding equation 1, 2 and 3, we get OA square plus OB square plus OC square equal to AF square plus OF square plus OD square plus BD square plus OE square plus CE square. Okay, So this imply OA square plus OB square प्लस OC स्क्वायर एंड OD स्क्वायर को इस साइड लाएंगे तो माइनस OD स्क्वायर हो जाएगा एंड OD स्क्वायर, उसके बाद OE स्क्वायर, OE स्क्वायर और माइनस OF स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AF स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर और प्लस CE स्क्वायर. So students, first is OA square plus OB square plus OC square. OA square, OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Okay, so first is proved. Next, second is AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus BF square plus CD square. So second proof. First of all, in right triangle ODB and ODC. In right triangle ODB, by Pythagoras theorem we write OB square equal to OD square plus BD square. Equation first. Now in right triangle ODC. So we write using by Pythagoras theorem OC square equal to OD square and plus CD square. Equation 2. Okay, so minus 2 we get equation 1 minus 2 we get OB square minus OC square, OB square minus OC square equal to OD square plus VD square minus OD square plus CD square. Okay, so OD square plus VD square minus OD square or minus CD square. OD square and OD square is cancelled. So BD square or minus CD square. So OB square minus OC square equal to BD square minus CD square. Equation third. Okay. Similarly, in right triangle OEC, in right triangle OEC and triangle OEA. By Pythagoras, in right triangle OEC and OEA. By using Pythagoras theorem, we write कि OC square equal to OE square minus CE square. OE square plus CE square. OC square equal to OE square plus CE square. Equation 4. And in right triangle OEA. So OA square equal to OE square और प्लस AE square. Equation 5 and 4 minus 5 we get. So OC square minus OA square equal to OE square is cancelled. So CE square minus AE square. Equation 6. Okay. Now again in right triangle OFA, in right triangle OFA and right triangle OFB and OFB. By using Pythagoras theorem we write कि ओ ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ओ ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ओ एफ स्क्वायर प्लस ए एफ स्क्वायर एंड in triangle OFB ओ बी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ओ एफ स्क्वायर प्लस बी एफ स्क्वायर 7 and 8 equation 7 minus 8 we get OA square minus OB square equal to AF square minus BF square. This is equation number 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now adding equation 3, 6 and 9. Adding equation 3, 6 and 9. Okay. So OB square minus OC square plus 6 equation OC square minus OA square and the 9 number OA square minus OB square plus OA square minus OB square. Okay, equal to BD square minus CD square plus equation number CE square plus CE square minus AE square and plus equation number 9 AF square minus BF square. Okay, so OA square OB square is cancel, OC square is cancel and OA square is cancel. So LHS is 0. Then we write AF square, CD is here, CD square plus AE square or plus BF square equal to BD square plus CE square plus AF square. Hence AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to CD square AE square plus BF square plus CD square. Okay. Next question number 19. 19 number question of example for exercise 7D. O is any point inside a rectangle ABCD. ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle and O is any point inside a rectangle. तो इस रेक्टेंगल्स के इनसाइड में यानी अंदर में O एक पॉइंट है. ओके, O इज ए पॉइंट. प्रूव दैट, साबित करना है कि OB स्क्वायर प्लस OD स्क्वायर, OB स्क्वायर प्लस OD स्क्वायर इक्वल टू OA स्क्वायर और प्लस OC स्क्वायर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we draw a diagram and O is a point inside a rectangle ABCD. Given O is a point inside a rectangle ABCD. ABCD is a rectangle and O is a point inside the rectangle. Okay. Prove that OB square plus OD square equal to OA square plus OC square. OB square plus OD square equal to OA square and plus OC square. Okay. So construction through O, draw POQ through O पॉइंट से होकर POQ एक लाइन ड्रॉ किए जो कि BC के क्या है, पैरेलल है. POQ is parallel to BC. Okay, POQ is parallel to BC. For P lies on the side AB of rectangle ABCD and Q lies on the side CD of rectangle ABCD. Okay, so let us start proof. POQ is parallel to BC and BC is parallel to what is of rectangle? The opposite sides are parallel and equal in a quadrilateral. It's called angle is 90 degree. So ABCD is a rectangle. So PQ is the perpendicular to AB, OP is the perpendicular to AB and OQ is the perpendicular to CD. So we say that the angle BPQ and CQP equal to 90 degree. So we say that कि BPQC and APQD both are rectangles. Okay, so BPQC and APQD both are rectangles. So now कि BP equal to CQ, we write BP equal to CQ and DQ equal to AP and DQ equal to AP. Okay, BP equal to CQ and DQ equal to AP, right? Okay. Now in right triangle OPB, in right triangle OPB, this triangle OPB. So OB is the hypotenuse. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we write कि OB square equal to OP square plus PB square. OB square equal to OP square plus PB square या BP square. Equation first by using Pythagoras theorem. So next OQD. First this triangle and second this OQD. So OD square equal to OQ square plus DQ square. OD square equal to OQ square plus DQ square. Equation 2 by using Pythagoras theorem. And similarly triangle OPA. This triangle, this is the right angle triangle. So OA square equal to OP square plus AP square. OA square equal to OP square plus AP square. Equation third by using Pythagoras theorem. And next right triangle OQC. So OC square equal to OQ square plus CQ square. Okay, from 4. So now 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 equations are adding equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, we get कि OB square plus OD square. OB square plus OD square, LHS is added, and OP square plus OQ square plus BP square plus DQ square. OP square plus OQ square plus BP square plus DQ square. Students, OP square is same as OP square, OQ square is same as OQ square, and BP square we write replace BP square is CQ square. So we know that कि BP equal to CQ. ओके, फॉर बीपी स्क्वायर को हम लोग CQ स्क्वायर क्या कर सकते हैं, पुट कर सकते हैं, एंड DQ स्क्वायर की जगह पर AP स्क्वायर पुट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि DQ इक्वल टू क्या है, AP. ओके, सो CQ स्क्वायर प्लस AP स्क्वायर एंड ग्रुपिंग 2 OP स्क्वायर प्लस AP स्क्वायर, OP स्क्वायर एंड प्लस AP स्क्वायर एंड OQ स्क्वायर प्लस CQ स्क्वायर. सो OP स्क्वायर प्लस AP स्क्वायर फ्रॉम इक्वेशन थर्ड, OP square plus AP square equal to OA square. So replace the OP square plus AP square equal to OA square. So we put the OP square plus AP square equal to OA square and OQ square plus CQ square from equation 4 equal to OC square. Okay, so hence it is proved कि OB square plus OD square equal to OA square plus OC square. Okay. Next example for students, example number 20 of exercise 7D. Prove that the sum of the square on the sides of a rhombus is a quadrilateral, all sides are equal in a parallelogram. एक ऐसा पैरेललोग्राम जिसका सारे साइड आपस में क्या हो, इक्वल हो, कहलाता है क्या, rhombus. All sides are equal in a parallelogram is called a rhombus. so is equal to the sum of the squares on the sides of a rhombus. एक rhombus के सभी sides के square का sum is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonals. Is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonal. यानी diagonals के square का sum. It means AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to AC square plus BD square. Okay, so first of all, given a rhombus ABCD, एक rhombus है ABCD whose diagonals AC and BD, whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at O, intersect at the point O. Okay, to prove that कि AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to AC square plus BD square. Okay, it means the sum of the square of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. We know that कि the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Okay, so it means कि angle AOB equal to angle BOC equal to angle COD equal to angle AOD, all are right angle. Clear? And bisect each other. Bisect, it means O is the midpoint of AC and O is the midpoint of BD. So OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. So we write कि OA equal to half AC and OB equal to half BD. So OA equal to half AC and OB equal to half BD. And now from a right triangle AOB, so AB is the hypotenuse. We write by using Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. So OA square plus OB square by using Pythagoras theorem. And OA equal to half AC, so we write कि OA square equal to half AC का whole square and OB square equal to half BD का whole square. So 1/4 AC square and plus 1/4 BD square. Okay, so and take LCM 4 AC square plus BD square and 4 is here 4 AB square equal to AC square plus BD square from equation first. Okay student, similarly in triangle AOB equal to 4AB square equal to AC square plus BD square. What is AC square plus BD square? So AC square plus BD square is the sum of the square of its diagonals and 4AB square. Similarly in triangle BOC 4BC square equal to AC square plus BD square. In triangle BOC, in right triangle BOC, 4BC square equal to AC square plus BD square. And in right triangle COD equal to 4CD square equal to AC square plus BD square. Similarly इसी तरह से ये आ जाएगा 4DA square in right triangle AOD, so 4AD square equal to AC square plus BD square, equation 4. And adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, all equations को add कर देंगे. Add करने के बाद क्या होगा 4AB square, 4BC square, 4CD square and 4DA square. 4 is common and rest is AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to, and AC square and AC square, 4 AC square and BD square, 4 BD, 4 is common, AC square plus BD square, 4 is cancelled. Okay, so AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to AC square plus BD square. Okay, so we have to prove that the sum of the square of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the square, the rhombus, the sum of the square of its diagonals. Okay, number 21 of exercise 7D. Example number 21. P and Q are points on the sides CA and CB of a triangle ABC. A triangle ABC. Okay, राइट एंगल एट सी, राइट एंगल एट सी, सी पर राइट एंगल है. P and Q are points on the side CA and CB. P is the point on the side CA and Q is the point on the side CB. Okay. To prove that कि AQ square plus BP square, AQ square plus BP square equal to AB square plus PQ square. Okay. So students, let's first start proof. So first of all, given a triangle ABC in which angle C equal to 90 degree, and prove that AQ square plus BP square equal to AB square plus PQ square. Okay. So let's first start proof. AQ square. Where is AQ? AQC. In right triangle AQC, ACQ या AQC. So AQ square equal to AC square plus QC square. Equation first by Pythagoras theorem. AQ is the hypotenuse, angle C equal to 90 degree, and AQ square equal to AC square plus QC square. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. And next BP square. So BPC. So from right triangle BCP. So BP square equal to PC square plus BC square. So BP square equal to BC square plus PC square. Equation 2 by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. And next AB square. So in right triangle ACB in right triangle ACB, AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. Equation third by using Pythagoras theorem. And next PQ square. So PQC in right triangle PQ square equal to CQ square plus PC square. Equation 4 from Pythagoras theorem. Okay. And prove that कि AQ square plus BP square. So AQ square is first equation and BP square equal to second equation. For adding 1 and 2, we get AQ square plus BP square plus BP square equal to AC square plus QC square plus BC square plus PC square. Okay. And by grouping कि AC square and BC square and QC square plus PC square. So AC square plus BC square from equation third, AC square plus BC square equal to AB square. So replace AC square plus BC square equal to AB square and replace QC square plus PC square from equation 4. QC square plus PC, replace QC square plus PC square equal to PQ square from equation 4. Hence prove that कि AQ square plus BP square equal to AB square plus PQ square. Okay.